Want to reduce your house payment without the hassle of refinancing? There's a little known trick that the banks rarely mention. It's time to take back control. If you have a standard conventional mortgage and are paying mortgage insurance or PMI in your monthly payment, listen closely. PMI is temporary and can be eliminated without the need to refinance. Here's how to do it. Take your current mortgage balance and divide it by the current property value. If the resulting number is lower than 0.80, you're on the right track. Let's take an example. Let's say you owe $400,000 on your home and the current value is $520,000. Your calculation would be 0.769, and this means you would move on to the next step. The next step is simple. Call the customer service line on your latest mortgage statement, inform them that you have enough equity and would like to request the removal of a PMI from your loan. By following this straightforward approach, you can lower your total monthly payment without the need for refinancing. Take advantage of this money-saving opportunity and regain control of your finances. Happy savings.